Don't pack up those Halloween decorations just yet. If you missed my first video, drill holes in the bottom of each pumpkin pail using a 3/4 inch drill bit. Then spray with flat white paint made specifically for plastic. I sprayed 2 coats which covered the orange. Once the paint had dried, I made a face. I used buttons for eyes and a cork for a nose, hot gluing them into place. For the mouth, I drilled holes in either side and threaded a zip tie through each hole. For arms, I drilled holes in the side of the second pumpkin and inserted medium-sized branches. In my first video, I placed 3-foot rebar posts into my planting pots, securing them using soil and large rocks. Then I laid 2 faux evergreen wreaths over the top of the pot for height. I threaded each white pumpkin over the rebar, creating a snowman. To finish, I tied a scarf around the first and second pumpkin. Using things found around my house, this cute little snowman didn't cost me a dime. I hope this inspires you to use your trick-or-treat pails to create your own cute little snowman for your home. Hey YouTube, thanks for watching. To never miss a Hometalk video, click here to subscribe. And to be inspired for your next DIY project, click here.